What's up, everyone? Nightfright87 here, back with a double upload for today on this Saturday night. And today, I was just browsing stream one day, like 2 weeks ago or something, and I found this game, The Scary Square. And that's by Lightning Games. It's free. So, yeah. Goodness. Secret 1, Secret 2, Secret 8, Secret... Whoa. Hi. How are you doing? Alright, anyway. Let's just go ahead and play this game, shall we? But before we get into this video, please like and subscribe for more. Remember, guys, the FNAF security breach videos, or, series, comes out on Monday. We're going to be posting a video every day. More information coming out tomorrow. But yeah, let's do this. How to play. You will have too many choices. Too many choices. Pick up one and see how Mr. Square interact with it. Don't worry, there will be a danger bar on the right corner. Be careful, Mr. Square. Mr. Square don't like to meet people, so do not disturb him or he will take your life. Awesome. I'm ready. Alright, too many choices. Let's do a car engine. Let's do car engine. Bruh, isn't the car on already? Okay, so I guess that works. Unknown, knock knock, the night, old friend. What is this? The frick? That's kind of scary. Oh, hi. How are you doing? Hello there. I have a number. 2. 2? Okay, 2. That was... What the heck? Okay, yeah, I think that was wrong. Ah, I got him. I got him. I clicked on him. The end?
I'm not dead, but he is the one that should be dead.
Is that it? The end 1. Okay. So I think there's, yeah, I think that's the secrets one. It shows different that day since 19 a description. The friends don't understand me. So secrets, I guess. Let's go ahead and play again and do a different outcome, shall we? And I actually clicked on him. I didn't mean to click on him. Well, I mean, like, never mind. Look, a plane landing. Let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try that. A plane landing. Okay, and then a heartbeat. Let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try that. Heartbeat. This heartbeat is racing. Whoa, hello there. How are you doing today? Hi, sir. Oh, 1 to 11. Not 11, not 12, not 13, not 14, not 15. It's not 9. It's 10. To the 10 or 16. That was wrong. Close the door. Oh gosh, hello there. I clicked it again. I know the spot to click it now. I'm the best. I'm the best. It's on like the fifth vein. Awesome. The end. Really deserve it? Did they think that I really deserve it? If so, I'm going to take them down. The end. 3. Okay. There's different endings to this. Okay. Don't know how this is very like story driven. So I'm gonna do a dog sound. How about dog sound? Dog sound. Dog sound. I'm gonna do dog sound. Goodness, that is very aggressive. I wouldn't even get mad if he turned on for this. Because this is freaking aggressive. I thought it was like okay. Let's do guitar. Guitar. Yeah, that. Don't know how to play the guitar. ASL. Chigga. I was on the trigger. You said whoa. I said whoa. Whoa, hello there. Hi. Okay, so I guess you don't like that either. Oh, hi. Okay. It must be 16 then. 16. Danger bars. That's 0, but it's 16. I clicked on 16 specifically. That was not it either. Well, hello there. Ha! Clicked on it again. I'm about to get all the endings. It's about to be lit. It's about to be lit. Hello there. Hi. You are very interesting. You killed me, okay? Now leave me alone, or I'm not going to let you leave. Okay, chill, Bill. I didn't mean to do nothing to you, boy. Now, personally, the ending for Okay, look. Whoa, there's like okay. Let's do cat sounds now. Let's do cat sounds. If these are aggressive. That's not aggressive. Those are normal, friendly cat sounds. Friendly cat sounds. Keyword friendly, by the way. Keyword.
But it could be annoying for the repetition.
Gosh. Explosion, TV noise, laughter, warning, fire noises, walking, sound, crying baby. I'm gonna do explosion. I'm about to get him pissed off. Goodness. Hi there. Oh, you turned on for that, didn't you? Hello. I think it's gonna get. Is it one? Oh. The arcade area. The police are here. Numbers 12. Empty space. Key. I key. The C. The police are here. The arcade arena space. The empty space. 12 numbers. No, I just pulled that right out of my butt. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna choose 12. Just why not? Choose a number. That was bad. This is bad. Don't kill me, please. Okay, I kind of want to see what happens if I let it just roam. Cause I'm letting it calm down so many times. It's crazy. The end. Let's go. I don't think so. This was ending probably 6, right? Ending 6. I'm gonna guess it. Ending 6. Ending 5. Wow, of course it was. Alright, main menu. We did skip out on ending 1. Unless we didn't. I don't know. I'm gonna do phone ring. Oh wait, no, forest noises. Frick. I wanna do forest noises. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. Okay, whoever remembers that show, comment down below. That show is, oh boy, old.
Oh, gee.
I chose laughter for y'all's information. Are you gonna get mad at laughter, sir? Is my question. So, me and Karen went to the bar last night, and say we had a blast. Oh, hated? Something scared. Oh wait, he didn't even turn on. I'm gonna choose hated, 'cause why not?
They was there, in the tree. They hated it. I don't know why, but it looked like they are dead. I think that he is the one. He killed them. But why? Why did he kill them?
Just, I'm confused. Oh, this is scary. Please leave me alone when I'm sad. I lost everything.
I'm sad. I lost everything.
Ending 7. See, I missed 6 now. Okay. All right, I want to try forest noises. There we go. Forest noises. How long is this video? Only 11 minutes. This is good runtime. This is good runtime. I love this. I'm gonna get 8 endings and then I'm gonna end the video because I think that's all the secrets. I don't know. I mean, there's probably way more endings because there's like 100 options to choose from. So like, these are some very peaceful forest noises. I'm gonna do laughter again because I mean, laughter didn't piss him off. I'm gonna get like another ending. Actually, you know what? I might have gotten ending number 1 off screen. Actually, that's why I'm probably not getting it again. Okay. Plane crash. Ooh, this is gonna plane crash. They. Why do people kill? I'm a little girl. I'm only 12 years old. Oh.
I'm a little girl. I'm only 12 years old.
Ending number 8.
And that was.
Okay. Anyway. If you guys have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. And take care.